everyone, I am Sonam. I am from Uttar Pradesh and district Jaunpur. Okay, please tell me, please comment. Um, where do you live? Please comment. Okay, so here today I want to talk about something. I want to talk about myself. I am living in small villages. Okay, so you know when you feel you cannot do anything, when you feel you are a girl, okay, when you feel your family your family worried about you, don't worry. It's your life. It's your life. You can do it. You are the only one of the person who can change your life. This is my most golden topic. Okay, and here this is your golden age. 18 to 25, this is your golden age. Okay, don't invest your time in the wrong people. Don't invest your time on social media. Don't invest your time on gaming. Okay, please stop it and take a pen and paper. Take a pen and paper. You can see this is what you can see. This is this is this is paper. And okay, you just take a pen. You note it down. What do you want to achieve? Okay, make a goal. Okay, don't make excuses. Make a goal and follow it. Follow yourself. Don't follow anybody. Okay, anybody everybody has different ways, but you have your own ways. Okay, so if you think I am loser, if you think I cannot do anything in my life, if you think i I am lazy person, then your mind will accept this concept. Yeah, you are demotivated, you cannot do anything. Okay, if you uh, get up early in the morning and you just say, yeah, I can speak this language, I can do this, and this is my goals, I can write it, I can note it down, and I can follow myself. Okay, you can follow yourself. Don't follow any other. Don't follow any person. You just follow yourself. Okay, so my topic is that how to achieve anything, how to be consistent. Okay, you know when your family says you are a loser, you cannot do, why are you making this video, what are you doing? Don't worry, they don't know the power of social media, they don't know power of YouTube. Okay, you can see your family when you succeed, when you when you have money, they say, yeah, my raja beta, my my beti. Okay, my daughter, this is my daughter. Okay, so don't worry, you can do it. My main motive is that, what my main motive is that, take a pen and paper and note it down your goals. Okay, you can use you can talk to uh, on uh, chat gpt. Okay, chat gpt is the best app. Chat gpt is the most valuable thing in your life. Okay, so you know you just search on Google how to improve yourself, how to improve your personality, how to how to do achieve anything in everybody's person. Okay, so you know today my English is not much good, I know, but I can improve this language because I am not making any excuses. I can speak this language, that's why I'm speaking in front of camera. Okay, so I am a simple teacher. I am a teacher also. I am also a teacher. I teach in a convent school. Okay. So don't afraid. I can teach. I am a teacher. I teach in a school, in convent in school, and then after I teach in my coaching. I have my own coaching institute. I teach there, and then and this is my daily routine. Okay, so you don't afraid what anybody says. If you want to achieve your, if you want to do something in your life, please don't care anybody. Okay, people won't provide you bread and butter. People don't give you money. Okay, please believe in yourself. You can do it. Bye bye, take care.